The other day I made a YouTube short about this landscape fabric as a window, or not a window tint, but a fence tinting option if you're trying to eliminate the Jeepers Creepers from looking through your fence pickets. This landscape fabric, it's just $5 for a roll of it. You only get about 45 feet of it. And it's 3 feet wide, but this stuff works pretty great and it's inexpensive. I've got it up over there. Sometimes it breaks loose, but nonetheless, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I staple this to my backyard fence. This is really a great option if you want to enhance the privacy in your own backyard. Starting off, we want to grab some just heavy duty staples. We're going to be using the Hyper Tough cheapies from Walmart. Very inexpensive Stanley gun that we've had for years. Simply drop in our staples. We're going to be using 1/2-inch staples because that way they're able to kind of grab the fence, and yeah, they just do a better job of keeping this stuff up. But starting on the top left hand corner of your fence post, you want to go ahead and put a couple establishing staples, and you can get creative and work it around the corners and the edges of the posts, but typically I'll just drag it across the fence line and start from top to bottom. And really what we're trying to do is to just make this look as straight as possible. We don't want it to look too tacky when we have guests over, so we're trying to keep it as clean as we can. Wrinkle-free is key. Make your way around the outer edges of where you've laid it out and just carefully put in a staple each stretch as you go along. Don't press the staples too hard into the wood because then they'll end up shooting through the fabric and the wind will blow them off in no time. They're not really going to grab the fabric. So be very gentle when you are applying the staples and just casually shoot them into the wood and try not to get them to where they're like very tight, if that makes any sense. But as you can see, I'm just continuing to work my way down the line of the fence. You don't want to get too carried away with the staples, but at the same time, you don't want to have too little of them. So make sure you have enough staples, space them out accordingly, and make it look as best as you can. And I go pretty ham on the staples. As you guys can see, I'm putting in quite a few. But that's the great thing about this. This fabric is incredibly inexpensive, and the staples, as long as you buy the budget-friendly staples at the hardware store, it's kind of hard to beat them. They do a great job. Make your way back to where you initially started. It's a nice little upgrade if you're looking to prevent peepers from creeping through your pickets. So if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you can. As always, we appreciate y'all watching. Take care.